I cannot get over the quality of this raised planter box from Boldly Growing. It is fully cedar, and before you even open the box, you will smell the cedar. It has very simple assembly instructions, and it comes with everything except for the tools. It even has a Boldly Growing label that you can put on it, but you don't have to, so it's really up to you. Now, I used a power drill that made really quick work of it, and each piece is just so well made, really nice quality, and it is designed in such a way that if you wanted to take it apart, you could. But of course, once I fill this with dirt, I don't plan to move it again, and thanks to it being real cedar, it's really made to last, and it's going to look so great in my garden. I'm currently building it in my basement as it is terrible outside, but I want this planter box ready for when the weather changes. It also comes with this great landscaping fabric. You can put it on the bottom, and that will really prevent the dirt from coming through and slow down the water flow as well. If you want to add more landscaping fabric, you certainly can. But overall, it is a fantastic, really high quality planter box. My husband originally had wanted to build one of these from scratch for me, and he couldn't believe the quality I got here for the price. He could not have made this from scratch for what I got this for, and I know that this is way better than anything he could have made. It's beautiful, excellent quality from Boldly Growing. And again, you can add the logo if you want to either side. It comes with the nails, and be proud of this fantastic raised planter box. My family and I can't wait to get planting this season and enjoy it all summer long.